how to use Flodesk for beginners. So to get started, go ahead and open flodesk.com into your preferred browser, and that will take you into this section. So as you can see, you'll find this try it for free button to try the website for free for 14 days using your Google Mail or your credentials that you have. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and enter the email and password that you want to use for the account. You can also sign up for an account using your Google account. So once you have created an account using your preferred sign up method, you'll need to select the first email that you will do or create. So as you can see, you have all of these templates to choose from. You'll find the share news, welcome, make money, say thanks, inspire, plain text, and short start from scratch. So this is actually the set of templates that you can use for sending emails using Flodesk. So go ahead and select the specific template that you want to use, and then click on this view details button to view it in full screen, such as the content of that specific template, and then click on the customize it button to start using that template for your canvas. So on your canvas, go ahead and add the images that you want to add along with your logo and the text that you want this page to contain. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on the next button at the top right of your screen to proceed with the next steps. So in this section, you need to choose the audience or the recipient of your email. So you can go ahead and enter where the email is coming from first, and then proceed with the next one, which is writing the subject line and the preview text for that specific email, and then click on continue to proceed on choosing your recipient. So you can choose your recipients such as segments or certain individuals. You can also upload a CSV of the list of those individuals that you need to email with this. And that is how you can basically use Flodesk for beginners. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.